Depression is a constant feeling of sadness and loss of interest, which stops you doing your normal activities. There is different types of depression, with symptoms ranging from relatively minor to severe. Generally, depression does not result from a single event, but from a mix of events and factors. It's normal for the things you're interested in to change over time. We all grow out of hobbies and interests. But everyone has long-standing hobbies. Maybe you cook or love to jog. When you stop doing those things because they don't feel good anymore, it could be a warning sign. Loss of interest keeps people from socializing or showing up for work. When your outlook is clouded by sadness, thoughts of death sometimes come up. In some severe cases, depression can lead to suicide. If death or dying has been on your mind, remember that the feelings you're having are momentary. Suicide is a permanent response to a temporary problem. Trouble sleeping and depression coexist in two ways. People with insomnia are much more likely to develop depression over time than people without sleep difficulties. On the other hand, trouble sleeping is a symptom of depression. Because they're so closely linked, the root cause and the symptom are hard to differentiate. Regardless of which comes first, trouble sleeping causes mood disturbances and is a common sign of depression. Abusing drugs or alcohol is a form of self-medication. It provides a temporary escape from feelings of sadness and emptiness. Over time, excessively drinking or using drugs can actually make mental illness worse. Overconsumption is dangerous for both the physical and mental health of someone with depression. Weight and appetite can fluctuate for people with depression. This experience may be different for each person. Some people will have an increased appetite and gain weight, while others won't be hungry and will lose weight. One indication of whether dietary changes are related to depression is if they're intentional or not. If they're not, it may mean that they're caused by depression. When a person trails off during conversations or loses their train of thought, it can indicate issues with memory and concentration, which is a common symptom of depression. A 2014 study trusted source suggests that these difficulties with concentration and focus can worsen the social impact of depression by making work life and personal relationships more challenging. Do something you enjoy. Depression can push you to give into your fatigue. It may feel more powerful than happy emotions. Try to push back and do something you love, something that's relaxing but energizing. Try to keep a regular sleep schedule. Keep a balance with not too little and not too much sleep. Staying up late one night and then sleeping in excessively the next day is a surefire way to feed depression. Also, don't try to solve problems late at night when your brain is half asleep. Get in a routine. If you're depressed, you need a routine. Depression can strip away the structure from your life. One day melts into the next. Setting a gentle daily schedule can help you get back on track. And that was the end of the video. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one.